is Mitali Irani and I'm the Director of Brand Innovation and Technology at Nag Private Limited, a 60-year-old family business based in Pune, and we're in the plastics industry. We are a manufacturing company. We have been working with SourcePro for the last 2 years and they helped us implement our first ever ERP. It's been an extremely long process, but they've guided us throughout. We've implemented the ERP across 7 locations, 6 manufacturing locations and 1 corporate office. We've taken several modules from SourcePro, including finance, materials, production planning, subcontracting, and a few more customized modules as well. The rollout was extremely difficult, especially because of the digital fluency levels in our company. But the SourcePro team has been extremely supportive throughout, and we are really grateful for all their support. In addition to this, our ERP is used 24/7, 365 days a year. The SourcePro team gives us support whenever we need it, whether it be on weekends or even if there's an issue in the middle of the night, they do not hesitate. They gave us a lot of support during the financial year changeover, as this was our first time doing this with the new ERP. And at any given time, we have over 100 users from the company logged into the system and using it effectively.